description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Yummy soup! Baixiang yummy soup, mutton flavor. Mutton flavor. Mutton. So this one, 600 mils of water. I mean, this is a big deal. We will see how it goes. There's a way to prepare this in its happiest form. And that's what I plan on doing for you. I really wish the sun would go away, but it's not in the mood to do so at this juncture. But let loose. There you go. So, whoa. There's our boiling. We're going to add in our noodle. Here we are. And we're going to add in the vegetables. And the deal is we cook this for 3 minutes. And then once that's done, we add in the rest of the stuff, and it goes for another. That must be the mutton. I don't know. It said vegetable. That said seasoning too. I don't know what's going on. But it's gonna go for 3 minutes, and then it'll do its little happy dance, and then it'll do 1 more minute. But yeah. What do you think? What do you think of that? Mutton. I hope it's good. I'm really curious about this one. Uh-oh. Is it snowing again? Hey guys, is it snowing again? No? Okay, thank you. I asked because my wife sent me a message. But I can't really look at it at the moment, so I'll have to figure that one out after this episode is complete. Yeah. So what else is going on? Not a lot. Tariffs, trade war, turducken. I'm gonna make some curry tonight. Totally making curry tonight. I got this stuff. I don't know. Mr. Cook's chicken curry. The other option that they had at the local place was what was it? Ghost pepper curry. I'm like, oh no. Let's not do that. I'm trying to make the curry violent. I mean, spicy curry, sure, that's fine. When it's applicable. Spicy curry just for the sake of saying, hey, it's got ghost pepper in it. It'd be gross as a habanero curry. So, the funny thing that my wife and I have been laughing about lately is that in a press conference when Trump was talking about how the Mexican president said that she would leave 10,000 troops at the border, which they are already doing. It's like right over this guy's head. He doesn't know what's going on. Anyways, way to ask for something and get it without even having to ask for it. But anyways, it's like, so Mr. President, are they going to be there permanently? Yes, they're going to be there permanently, like forever. I think that's pretty funny. Like, whoa, dude. Permanently, like forever. Oh boy. I swear that guy's gonna drown in his own ridiculousness. I just don't understand. Meanwhile, we had a plane collision down in Seattle at the SeaTac International Airport, Seattle-Tacoma International Airport. Actually, on the news, they're just now called, they've abbreviated Seattle to the point that they're now just calling it SEA. It's like, SEA? That sounds too much like SCA. And that is not Seattle. That's the Society of Creative Enactors. That's the medieval reenactment people. I got mixed up in that ridiculous stuff at one point in my life. Whoa, baby, that's a cult. That's a cult. Not, well, I don't know. There's plenty of people that are nice that are like into it, you know, do like weekend trips and do that stuff. But then there's another side of it of people that are like way too into it. Way too much, I don't know, getting way into the role of thinking that they're from the Middle Ages. Getting a little pushy. I think that's the main part that I didn't like about it. All right, here we go. This is our mutton soup, ladies and gentlemen. Can you imagine? Mutton soup. This is going to be a tough one to plate. A lot of noodle. Seems like the standard Baixiang noodle. Soft, kind of slightly thin. I'm very curious about the broth. Yeah, I emailed these guys and I really want to like connect with them because I'd like to review all their stuff. They're in China, but they have a presence in the United States. Noodles, all right. Let's see if it's indeed yummy soup. There is Szechuan pepper present. Not a horrific amount of it. It's not like a monotone thing going on here. It's interesting when you stir it, it kind of gets a little creamy looking. A little bit more stirring. We'll try the yummy soup again. It is yummy. Things I like about it is the oiliness. I like the fact that the Szechuan pepper isn't overwhelming. It's like this funky, I don't know what flavor, mutton, I guess. I just think of like some kind of like mutton stew. It sounds like with some lamb, like lamb chunks that stewed in it for a while would be really good. As you can see, the oiliness, oh, hopefully you can see, the oiliness pops back in. So you stir and it combines it, and then you give it a second and it just all right, I mean, you know, oil rises in liquid. Uh-oh, I hear a little bit of unhappiness from the children. They're being good enough. I could get them on the show today. They'd like that. But then they start acting out. It's like, it could go really well, or it could do the exact opposite. I may just have to dare. That's enough out there. Boy, I was talking nice about you guys, and then you start talking that kind of smack to each other. It's enough of that, okay? Thank you. What do we do, folks? What do we do? Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Is that what I think it is? No, not that. That. Come on, share. I think it's tofu skin. I'm pretty sure. That's a nicety. This stuff's all right. Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm not going to waste any scallion, that's for sure. Scallion, sesame seed. I'm going to use, I do have some straight ground Szechuan peppercorn. That's what this is right there. So I think I'm going to add a little bit, like right like that. And I think that's all I'm doing to this, because this is neat stuff. I'll have to try it after adding that to it and see if that's something I can actually recommend, because I don't want to be like adding stuff in and have you go like, oh my god, why would you do that? Don't do that to us. But yeah, here you go. Isn't that nice? A little mutton soup spinning around on my exceedingly slow centrifuge that I have named Rotato. This is actually son of Rotato Jr. I still have the original Rotato that had to be plugged in, but this one takes batteries. I like that better. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. You know, things only get better, don't they? Have a good one. Bye-bye. Or wait! Wait! Wait. Hey, the children. You guys want to say hi to the nice people? Okay, you gotta be nice. You gotta be nice, people. No, don't do a silly dance. Come over here. So this is
Miles.
and this is
Mimi.
So you guys been enjoying the snow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you happy not having school because you got snow days?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Well, why don't you tell the people what we tell at the end of the episode?
At the end of the episode, we had a snow day.
Well, no, we say, all right, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, and this has been. You know your name.
Yeah.
This has been. And this has been.
Miles.
Wishing you enjoy your noodles.
Watch every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.